A global pharmaceutical leader uses 24/7 e-learning created with Taleo Proficiency. Merck is one of the largest research-based makers of pharmaceutical products in the world, offering a broad array of medical products and innovations to healthcare professionals, patients, and caregivers. Merck supplies medicines, vaccines, and treatments directly and through distributors. The challenge we were presented with was that Merck had just merged with Plough, a pharmaceutical company of more than 55,000 people across 13 countries. Merck had implemented Taleo recruiting as its staffing solution globally, and they had to deliver training on that staffing solution within 90 days for instructor-led training, e-learning, and mobile devices in both English and in French. The proficiency solution. The Taleo Proficiency team developed relevant content that applied to Merck employees' day-to-day jobs. They deployed end-user training identical to Merck's unique Taleo implementation. Content was searchable, easy to find online training topics. Mobile device content enhanced accessibility and ease of just-in-time references. The outcome. The Taleo Proficiency team created training content that is specific to the corporate culture at Merck. Merck expertise was used in every step of the way with direct feedback on the business processes, and presentations were made to Merck's project stakeholders along the way. Frank de los Reyes had this to say about the Taleo Proficiency team's work. We used Taleo Proficiency to expand the processes and technology across the company while doubling the size of the organization as a whole. This method scales very seamlessly to onboard new managers and recruiters at Merck. Jake Girardeau had this to say. The Taleo Proficiency team provided Merck the level of service it needed to successfully develop a massive amount of content within a limited time frame. They offered a well-established development methodology that leveraged industry standards, as well as providing strong product domain and graphics ability to turn simple e-learning into a dynamic and engaging online training.